Now this illustration deals with recessed luminaires, recessed type. In accordance with NEC .115b, as well as the exceptions 1 and 2. Now, the note calls for lay-in units, the lay-in type units in a suspended ceiling, say. We would see figures 16-109 and 9-14, respectively, to get the information on lay-in type and how they could be powered and pigtail fixture whips used and so forth. But notice right above the recessed type fixture, right above it, it says a 1984 NEC permitted suspended ceiling type fixtures. And then through the additions of the code, the recessed fixture had to have an inside thermal type protector. It had to have two fixtures in one, but the recessed fixture was IC thermally protected in accordance with 410.115A is in Apple II. Now, to really understand all of the sections we need to review, if we're dealing with the NEC loop information, temperature, 410.115A, there's a temperature requirement. If the fixture for some reason heats up beyond the thermal protector, it'll cycle off and on. Or you could have two fixtures in one to dissipate the heat. Protection, 410.115B. Clearance rules from the studs and so forth, and the insulation that may be, covered it up in some manner maybe, if you didn't have these clearance rules. And that naturally be 410.116A. Then the overall installation rules is 410.116B that we look at. So figure 11-27 is dealing with the requirements for recessed luminaires in accordance with 410.115B, exceptions 1 and 2.